welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ingrid Flora, and if you're seeing this baby girl for the first time, you're welcome. I hope you guys are all doing good. I hope you guys are all doing good. So in today's video is going to be a cooking video. Yes, you heard me. I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make my delicious hot chicken stew. But before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, drop your comment down below. And without wasting much of your time, we'll be right back to show you guys what we make it. So we are right back, and I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly the ingredients that I have for my hot chicken. Yeah, this is my hot chicken here. I cut it. So this is my hot chicken. Here we have some green pepper and some celery. Here we have some onions. Here we have some chicken spices and a little bit of salt because my dad doesn't like salt. So yeah, so we have a little bit of oil. We don't put too much oil. I mean, nobody wants to have a heart attack. I mean, nobody wants to die young. So we have our frozen tomato. I'm going to be blending it. Yeah. We have our chili. I mean, who will cook in an African home without putting chili? Like, are you an African or are you an African? Anyway, we have our chili, we have our ginger, we have our garlic, we have these spices. I don't know how you guys call it, but in my language, because I'm a Cameroonian babe, a proud one for that. So, like, yeah, this is, we call it njang. It makes the soup so nice. We add this amazing, delicious taste. So put in your comment section how you call it in your country. Yeah, and then we have some Italian herbs here just to add a little bit of extra everything. So that is basically what we have for our chicken soup. So yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let the process begin. I'm gonna be showing you guys the first thing that I'm gonna do. Guys, the first thing that I like to do before I can even start of cooking my hot chickens and everything. You guys know how you buy this hot chicken sometime in the market and you will see that it wasn't cleaned properly and there will be a little bit of feather and sometimes it's disgusting. Imagine serving somebody food and then the first thing they see is this feather. It's so disgusting. If you give me this kind of food, my appetite just dies straight. So what I would do first, I'm going to be brine it a little bit. And yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's go and let me show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be frying the chicken. So guys, this is what I mean by you fry your chicken. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. It looks nice, it looks soft, it looks beautiful and attractive in the eyes. So now that my chicken is fried, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wash it and then put it in the pot. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to wash my chicken and yeah, just wash it. Now my chicken is well washed, well cooked. what I'm going to do when I'm cooking, especially like chicken, I like to put the same ingredient I'm going to put in the chicken so that the chicken is being cooked by itself. It will absorb the same ingredient and it will not be like what it's like when you are eating the same food, the chicken has its own taste, the soup has its own taste. I don't like it. So I like everything like husband and wife in the pot. You know what I mean? So like yeah, so I'm going to be taking my green pepper, uh my chicken spices, a little bit of chicken spices, of course. Then my green pepper. This is exactly the ingredient I'm going to put when I'll be blending my tomato. So I'm putting it I'm putting the same thing in the chicken so that it will enter and penetrate the chicken. So, yeah. And before I forget, I like to put what I want to say is fork. I like to put a fork in one of my chicken pieces. They say that when you put it in your boiling hot chicken, it actually makes the chicken faster. I have tried it, it worked for me. I don't know how. Try it and let me know if it works for you. So the next thing that I'm going to put is my onions. My onions. I bet where the knife go now? My onions. And then I'm going to put some garlic. So I'm basically putting everything that I will put inside my food. I'm just going to throw it and then I'm going to put this more chili inside and then some mixed spices and then I'm going to put it on fire. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to put it on fire and allow the spices to penetrate the chicken before I can actually add water for the other part. So let's go. Let's go, 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 let's go. So yeah, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Like yeah. So I'm going to allow it to penetrate in the chicken before I can add water. So the remaining thing now, I'm gonna come back later and show you guys how it looks like. So yeah.
The next thing I'm going to do right now is my chicken is on fire and I want the fire to penetrate the chicken. But the next thing I'm going to do is start preparing my ingredient I'm going to blend.
So yeah, our oil is cooked. I mean, what do you mean our oil is cooked? It's called food. Anyway, our oil is hot right now. So what we're gonna do next is pour our mixture of onions, everything inside. Remember, I cut some other spices in there, so I don't just want everything to just be in the pot. So this is just the soup. I'm gonna pour it. So that is coming down. Not jump my face. So I'm gonna leave this one here. I'm going to rinse it later on. So we put it here aside. Let me show you guys how my pot look like. Let me show you guys how my pot look like. So this is how my tomato look like inside the pot. So we're just gonna turn it. It look colorful, attractive, good looking. I mean, something your eye need to get attracted to you. So if somebody is giving you food and you don't even feel attracted to the food, you will not be motivated to eat that food. So yeah. So that's my tomato. And I don't like to cover my tomato when I'm cooking it. So I'm gonna let it cook the way it is. And yeah, why not? Let me just clean a bit of oil because oil still is expensive in the market. Nothing is going to the post. So, so guys, our tomato is ready. So the next thing we're gonna do right now is just wait for our chicken to be cooked and then our tomato to be cooked. And we'll be right back, my brother, my sister. Sit down. Oh. I hope you guys have a glass of juice, water, or anything because last, what is good food without having anything to drink? So we'll be right back.
Before putting the tomato. Yes, now, tomato is dead. I mean, if you don't know what are you doing as a woman. Anyway, let's go.
So guys, we are back and our tomato is boiled. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add water from the one that I use to rank the how do you call it again? I bet English not be my language. To rank the oh my god. So I'm gonna pour it inside to remove so that the tomato will not be sour. The tomato is not sour. So yeah. That's exactly what I'm gonna do, my dear. My dear. Mm. Almost not with more thing more. So I'm gonna drop this, just put it inside. And I forgot to mention, I can cover my pot. I forgot to mention I'm going to put the lips in here inside the chicken. Inside the pot when I'm done mixing the chicken and the everything. And then yeah, we'll be right back. The only thing we're missing now is chicken. I don't even know what the chicken is doing. I have to have just cook it in the morning. But anyway, last, everybody will be fine. So, chill. And we'll be right back, my dear. Last, everybody's going to be okay. So, guys, so now my chicken is a little bit cooked. So, I don't want it to be overcooked. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the remaining water and the inside the stew. And I'm going to pour this spices and then I'm going to allow everything to be cooked at the same time. And